Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automations Guru channel. In this video, we will see how we can meet the Google and Yahoo sender requirement 2024 for email compliance. If your emails are not landing in your client inbox, we need to follow these steps right now to make our email compliance so our email can land into our client inbox, or maybe if our emails are getting rejected, we need to follow these steps right now. So basically, we need to follow like 6 steps that Gohighlevel introduced in order to meet that Yahoo and Google sender requirements. So the first step is we need to set up our dedicated domain with our brand. Basically, if my brand is like automationsguru.com and my email that I'm using for my business is hello@automationsguru.com, if I want to land all of my emails into the client inbox from Gohighlevel platform, if my emails are getting rejecting when I'm sending my emails from Gohighlevel, then like these are the steps that we need to do. If my emails is like hello@automationsguru.com, so the first step is I need to set up a dedicated Gohighlevel email domain with that specific domain, like on like mail.automationsguru.com, something like that. If you don't know how to do that email dedicated step, then I will link that video where I explain all of that stuff. So the second step is set up your demarc record. I also mentioned that demarc record thing there. So you can follow my video to do that first step and the second step, and the third step is like that Gohighlevel introduce from address should be same as our domain. Like if my domain is automationsguru.com, so I will do my first step. I will set up my dedicated domain on mail.automationsguru.com. I will do my second step, which is setting up my demarc record. I will do that, and then I have the third step, like from address. Then when I'm sending my from address in Gohighlevel anywhere in workflow or email campaigns or anywhere, I will use my hello@automationsguru.com for that email. For that specific domain which I have my dedicated email domain set. So now from moving forward, the first step that we need to follow, we can't use the Gmail thing. Like we can't use Gmail in our from address. Like I was using my email like heather@gmail.com in emails before, but after introducing this new email compliance thing, we can't use our Gmail in anywhere in Gohighlevel in from address field. What it will do, it will basically reject it, or maybe it will go into spam directly. Then the fifth step is that we need to follow. If we go into Gohighlevel and if we go into the company settings, there is a button like unsubscribe. Like we can toggle on our unsubscribe. So if we toggle on that button, what it will do, it will automatically embed an unsubscribe button in all of our emails. So like we have to make sure that our prospect can easily unsubscribe us. So the last step is don't do cold email with your branded dedicated email domain. If you want to send your cold emails, if you want to do that cold email thing, that you then use something else, like create like buy a new domain and create an email on that and start using that for your business. So basically, after this law, you can't use your main domain or your cold emailing thing. If you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel now and like this video. Thank you.